In this video, I'll show you how to save your Claude AI chats as a PDF file. This is really useful if you want to keep a copy of important conversations, share them with someone else, or store them for later. So, let's get started. First, open the Claude chat that you want to save as a PDF. Now open a new browser tab and search for Chrome Web Store. If you're using Firefox or another browser, simply open that browser's extension store instead. Once the web store opens, use the search bar and type Claude to Doc. From the search results, look for the extension called Claude to PDF, Word, and Google Docs by thinksolve.com. Once you find it, click on it. Now click the Add to Chrome button, then select Add Extension to install it into your browser. The installation should only take a few seconds. After the extension is installed, go back to your Claude chat and refresh the page. Once the page reloads, you should notice a new export icon appear near the top right corner of the Claude interface. Click on the Export to PDF option. The extension will now automatically generate a PDF version of your entire Claude conversation. After that, choose where you want to save the file on your computer, then click Save. And that's it. Your Claude chat has now been successfully saved as a PDF document. You can open the file anytime, print it, share it, or keep it as a backup for future reference. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more simple and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.